I made 14,000 naira in 48 hours using a free app. It shocked you? It shocked me too. Look at this. So look at how much I earned in just 48 hours using this free app. And in this live video, we are going to withdraw this money. So you see how reliable this is. Guys, in this video, I'm going to spill the tea. If you've been wondering if there are legit apps that will pay you real money as a Nigerian using just a smartphone, well, I'm about to hand over to you. Not only will I tell you how I earned this 14,000 naira in 48 hours, I'm also going to show you how you can get started immediately earning at least 1,000 naira every single day from this free app. Guess what? I'm going to show you two more apps that will pay you every single day as a Nigerian using just your smartphone. So recently, I picked so much interest in investment. I want to know various ways you can make your money work for you because you know we can't work actively like this for a long time. I discovered that rich people are not really working for money. They make their money work for them. So I started researching on how you can actually put in small money and let your money start working for you even while you go on with your other activities. And I found this app. On this app, not only do you get daily interest on your savings, you also get to invest. Expert on this platform gets you those investments that are reliable that you can invest in with as low as 2,000, 10,000 and above. Then you invest in this and you keep earning interest every single day. I was amazed when I found this app. 14K in just 48 hours. And I know you gotta know about it. Because tell me, which other app legitimately pays you 14,000 naira in 48 hours? Doing almost nothing. On this internet we are. Yeah, so you know what to do. Grab your popcorn. Let's dive straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it because we are all in this together. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. So the first app I'm talking about is Optimus by AfriVest. Hold on, let me show you how I made 14K on this app in just 48 hours. There are two things you can do on this app. First is that you can save your money and earn daily interest. They pay as high as 10% interest rate every single day. So the second thing you can do on this app is to invest your money and let your money make money for you on a daily basis. These guys have experts who's been in this game for over 25 years. What they basically do here is that they see investment that are reliable, trustworthy. They bring it to your notice, you invest in it. They go on to manage this investment for you, and at the end of the stipulated time, they pay you your interest or your dividend as the case may be. So on this app, you can save in Naira, you can save in dollars. So if you're wondering, how can I save my money or even invest in dollars? Here is an opportunity to get started. If you look at this, it says save and earn. You have OptiFlex, which is basically where you have your daily savings and you earn up to 10% interest rate. And the second savings option is OptLock. This is actually where you lock a certain amount of money for a period of 6 months, 1 year. At the end of this period, you go home with a bulk of interest that the money has generated for you. Moving on to investment, there are 3 types of investment you can do here. The first one is mutual funds. So they see reliable mutual funds to invest in. They bring it to your notice. All you need is just invest as low as 5K, 10K, 20K, depending on how much you can afford. At the end of the stated period, you go home with your money and the interest it has generated for you. Now, the second investment you can also make here is buying US stocks. So if you've always wanted to invest in US stocks, here's an opportunity to get this thing done by reliable people. Now, let me answer one question in your mind. How reliable is this Optimus app? What if I invest my money and all of a sudden, this guy is japa with my money? Well, that fear was also in me when I started, but I did a quick research and I found out that Optimus is insured by NDIC, which means whatever happens, your money is secure. So this app and 2 other apps I'm about to show you are all licensed by CBN and insured by NDIC. So no shaking. Now, the question is, what did you do to earn 14,000 naira in 48 hours? Well, what I did is called referral. On this app, you earn 1,000 naira every time you refer people. So when people create a free account and they're able to save up to 2,000 naira in their account, you get paid 1,000 naira instantly. So in 48 hours, I was able to get 235 people sign up on this app, which means I've potentially earned 235,000 naira from this app in 48 hours. but 14 of them have completed the process. They've been able to fund their account with 2,000 naira, and that's why I earned this 14,000 naira you are seeing here. So what it means is that if these 249 people fund their account with 2,000 naira each, I'm going home with 249,000 naira, guys. Now that you've seen how amazing this app is and how easy it is to make money from this app, the question is, how do you start? The first thing is to create a free account for yourself. And the link to create the account is contained in the description of this video and in the first comment of this video. The thing is, there are a lot of fake Optimus app there. So you want to use the reliable one, which is the link you are going to use right now. As soon as you're done creating your free account, you need to fund your account with at least 2,000 naira, and then you are ready to start making money. Now, what you do next is to go on and copy your referral link. So let me show you how to find your referral link and how to go on to copy it and start making money. Remember, we are going to withdraw my own money in this live session, so you don't want to go anywhere. We're going to land on this page. Now, what you need to do is to come over here and click on profile. Once the profile opens, you are going to scroll down here and see referral. Click on referral and you are going to see your referral link. This is your referral link. Now, before we do a live withdrawal of this money here, let me show you two more other apps you can use to make at least 1,000 naira for yourself every single day. So the second app that I love so much, you're probably using this app, but you don't know that you can make money from it, is OPay. OPay is so reliable that I do transactions to the tune of millions on OPay. If you're wondering, is my money safe? Yes, take it from me. In fact, OPay is my go-to app when it comes to receiving payments and even paying things on a daily basis. So OPay is licensed by CBN and insured by NDIC, which means if anything happens to the bank right now, your money is safe and secure. Now, how do you make money with OPay? Referral. When you get people to sign up on OPay using your referral link, you make as high as 2,000 naira, 4,000 naira, depending on the level you are operating. So look at mine. I earn up to 4,000 naira for referral in a week. That's amazing, right? Okay, so what you need to do is to download the app if you don't have it yet. But if you already have the app, go on to your referral link, come to this page, open your referral link and copy the referral link. You're going home with at least 1,000 naira from this. The third legit app that will pay you real money for doing almost nothing is PiggyVest. PiggyVest remains my first experience and encounter with a fintech app, and trust me, it's so reliable. I've used PiggyVest to save money for a particular purpose. So if you're somebody like me, you spend a lot of money, you make a lot of money, but you don't know where your money goes to, this app will definitely help you curtail that spending habit you have. Do your daily savings here, which means you automate this app to debit your account a certain amount of money on a specified date. Say you receive your salary every 26th of the month, maybe 10 or 15% of your salary on 27th day of every month. So once your salary comes in on 26th, on 27th, the app will automatically debit the stated amount of money and then it credits your locked account, which means you are locking this money for a specified period of time. This way, you won't have a lot of money to mess around with. It really works. I have used it and I can tell you that one exciting thing about this app is the opportunity to invest locally. Do you know you can actually invest in agriculture, transportation, and the rest of them on this app with as low as 5,000 naira, guys? Any of these options they have here, look at this. You see various things you can invest in. They are reliable because if you look at this, as soon as they announce that there's an investment opportunity, before you say jack, people have taken all the options. So you see that they are all sold out, all sold out, sold out, sold out. You need to create a free account on this app. Go on and invest in those opportunities that appeal to you. Do you know what I found interesting about this app? Their consistency in paying you your interest. For over a year now, I've not invested in anything. I've not saved anything in my account. Yet, every month, these guys send me interest on just 1,000 naira I have in that app. Look at this. So this is every month I get paid this interest, and all I have on this app is just 1,000 naira. I'm so going back to saving. As smart people, we no longer leave money that's doing nothing in a savings account because these banks know how to debit you. They debit you for doing transactions in a month. They debit you for not doing any transaction in a month. But the reverse is the case with these apps. Not only do they leave your money the way it is, they also pay you interest for saving money. Now, one sweet way to make daily income from PiggyVest is to refer people and earn. So this is the referral link. You need to just go on and copy your referral link. Now, let's go on and do a live withdrawal of my money from Optimus app. So you open your app and click on this, then select wallet and then select withdraw. That's how to withdraw your money. Then once it opens, you click on continue and then you select the bank account you want to send into. I already have my bank account saved here. Then you go on to put the amount of money you want to withdraw. We are doing 2,000 here for demo. Click on review order and then click on withdraw and you put in the pin, then withdraw complete. Guys, in few seconds, look at the money sent to me. In a split of seconds, this money is sent to my account and then I go on to cash out. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video.